Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic BRICS from chapter 3rd of class plus 2 New Centers of Power. BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. BRIC came into existence in the year 2001 as BRICS nations. The term BRIC was coined by chief economist of investment firm Goldman Sachs. It was founded in September 2006 in Russia. BRICS is the international political organization of leading emerging economies. BRIC turned into BRICS after the inclusion of South Africa in its first meeting in the year 2009. BRICS headquarters is situated at Shanghai in China. Now we will discuss the objectives of BRICS. Its main objectives are to remove trade barriers, economic benefits among its members, optimum use of resources, building relationship, non-interference in the internal policies of each nation and mutual equality. Next, we will discuss about the BRICS summits. The BRICS countries met for their first official summit on 16 June 2009 in Yekaterinburg, in Russia to discuss the current global financial crisis, global development, and further strengthening of the BRICS group. The fourth summit was hosted in New Delhi on 29 March 2012 under the theme of BRICS Partnership for Global Stability, Security, and Prosperity. The idea of New Development Bank was also given by India. The 8th summit was also held in India in October 2016 at the Taj Exotica hostel in Vanolam in Goa in India. The theme of India's BRICS chairmanship is Building Responsive, Inclusive and Collective Solutions. The 11th conference of the BRICS concluded in Brazil in 2019, chaired by Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro. Next, we will discuss why are BRICS countries considered important. First one, India along with Brazil, Russia, China and South Africa actively engages on the issues of global importance through BRICS. Second one, BRICS is an important grouping bringing together the major emerging economies from the world, comprising 42% of the world's population, having 23% of the world GDP and over 16% share in the world trade. Third one, BRICS countries have been the main engines of global economic growth over the years. Fourth one, at the same time, BRICS has emerged as a major factor in a peaceful, prosperous and multipolar world through BRICS. Fifth one, during summit, BRICS leaders discussed various issues of global importance, including global finance, security situation, countering terrorism, climate change, sustainable development, reforms of the multilateral system, and reforms of WTO. Students, this is about BRICS. Now in my next video, we will discuss how Russia and India are emerging important centers of power in the present.